Good morning, Muscle Car Corner, bringing you a 68 Z28 drag car. Odometer reads 255 miles on it. It was a record holder in the late 60s, early 70s in Pennsylvania at York, US 30. This is a neat time capsule drag car. I think super cool. Z28 motor. See, we got the factory exhaust manifolds, all the smog pumps still on it. That's pretty neat. You know, I like drag cars, so taking a look at something that's original is a super cool piece. Got a lot of documentation with this car. States it may go up to 250. All kinds of goodies. 69 National showing times. Documentation is everything. That's what makes it might go up to 250,000 with a lot of history also. Love old school drag cars. 1969 NHRA record holder. Ran 1238 at 114 mile an hour. Look at that. The original insignia from the selling dealer in Rockville, Missouri, or Maryland. That's neat. Nice Mickey Thompson ET. Original helmet. This car was a drag car from day one. You can tell the interior's nice on it. These little DZs with some high whining little motors, I tell you. From the factory, you turn these things $9,000. That induction system where it comes through the cowling is pretty cool. I saw one on a big block car. I'd never seen one before, and I forgot they came on these Z28s. Air gets sucked in right there and gives it nice fresh air coming in there. Nice cool fresh air. Well, Muscle Car Corner bringing you a little piece of drag racing history here. Really like this car. I love drag cars. I like to see them with documentation, and this one's got it, so super cool. Muscle Car Corner signing out on a neat little Z28 drag car. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends. Appreciate y'all.